Stay away. Token failed. Approved. Stroke sales test. Hello, good afternoon, guys. My name is Adefemi JC, and people know me as Crypto Toilet, while others know me as Simple J. And this afternoon, I just want to quickly do a short video on an update concerning checking coins that will rug pull. All right, potential coin, how to detect potential coin that will rug pull. In fact, how to check what to check in a coin before investing in it, because as you all know, scams are increasing every day, and it's very important we get updated, we are up to date with what is currently going on. And in today's episode, I found some other info which I felt to be helpful for the community, which is why I'm putting up this short video. I won't take much of your time, and it's just very fast and smooth. Like, what should we check? And I have 3 tokens which I want to use as example. And how did I manage to get this token? Well, I got the same token the way we usually get tokens before, by heading straight to and what are they calling it? By heading straight to BSC scan, as always, BSC scan, it's slash, right, the bscscan.com/token nx, and you see, check here, bsc scan /token snx, token txnx, all right, not just bsc scan alone. And when we come here, definitely we see a lot of coins. We scroll to the side, we see people buying series of coins, and then from that we choose a coin. So then I choose 3 coins which I want to use to explain something to you. Okay, so I just want to quickly show you something. Let's say you select a coin from this place, and what do you need to check before you buy the coin? Well, number 1 thing is, are you able to sell the coin? That is the number 1 thing. Let's be sincere with ourselves. And number 2 is the liquidity of that coin locked? I will show you all this, all right? But for the liquidity aspect, not all coins have locked liquidities, all right? But when you find any coin that have locked liquidity, you have to at the same time check the time the liquidity is locked, because if a coin has liquidity locked for just hours, it's potential scam. It's better they shouldn't lock the liquidity at all than deceiving people that they've locked the liquidity and they only lock it for 3 hours. And there's a way you can know if the liquidity is actually locked, because there are 2 websites. There are many websites for that, but it depends on what the website used, all right, to lock their liquidity. All right, it depends on what the website used, because we have DX2, DX sales, we have Uniswap, we have some other one, maybe some WP lock or something, different website to lock liquidity. All right, but it now depends on the one the token used. That is why, for you to actually although I will be showing you how to check, but in case that one does not work, then it could be that they don't use the website to lock their liquidity. So you have to contact the dev maybe on Telegram to check if they actually lock the coin. But the truth is, they don't even have time to be doing all that. I can only decide to do that if I'm not investing in like I want to invest big money in a good coin. That is when I will take my time to do all this. But if I'm not investing in good coin, inshallah, me, I don't even have that. I wouldn't even waste my time trying to contact the admin that, please, is this liquidity lock, blah, because the time to take me to contact this, that's if I have their Telegram group. But if I don't have their Telegram group, then, but what is very important is the number 1, which is, what are you able to sell? And there's a way to go about this without even wasting much of your time. If you are able to sell or you are not able to sell, there's a way to go about this without even wasting your time. And number 1, we have 3 smart contracts which I want us to look at, all right, before you do anything. The first thing you should always check is, are you able to sell? Like I said the other time, that for you to check if you're able to sell or not, that you have to head straight to, for those, please go and watch some of my videos on YouTube on checking on Rugpulling, which I did. All right, you have to go to Pancakeswap. I usually want you guys to buy like $1 from Pancakeswap, all right? Then you try to sell. If you're able to sell it, then you can now go back and buy the amount you want to buy. Or secondly, you go to PoolCoin app, you put the smart contracts address there. Then when it brings the token details out, you check people buying, are people selling as well. If people are not selling, then definitely there's something wrong. But to confirm to clear your claim, to clear your doubts, you need to go to Pancakeswap, either version 1 or version 2, depending on the version the liquidity is. And for those people still always contacting me that this thing is saying insufficient liquidity, I already told you, go to PoolCoin app before you trade any coin, put the smart contract there. You see info at the top left, click on it, you see version 1 and version 2. Check the one liquidity, you see if it is version 2. then click version 2 to trade. And for those always complaining that they are unable to connect their wallet from Pancakeswap, I already told you there's a place they put open tab. Click on open tab, it will take you to Pancakeswap. But to cut the long story short, all right, so the fastest way now to check if a coin can be sold or not is what? A Telegram bot, all right, which I discovered, which I will check the video description for the Telegram group. Join the Telegram link. You will see at the beginning of this video I demonstrate something. That is how to check it. So what are we going to do? I have 2 coins right here, 3 smart contracts right, and we need to test the 3 by ourselves, all right. So the number 1 contract is this. I want to test the first one. I will copy it, all right. Then we head straight to my Telegram channel, the Telegram, which I'm telling you, this is the Telegram channel. I will drop the link for you guys in the description, all right. So the next thing you have to do is at the boss, you join the Telegram channel, you type this thing here, you just use /rug, all right, space, then you type the smart contract, so just paste it, then enter, all right. Let's wait for the return, all right. Let's see. All right, they said could not check this blah 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 blah, please check under the test at your own risk. Okay, so probably maybe this this stuff is not correct, right? There could have been issues with it, but to confirm if there's issue with it or there's no issue with it, let me just come to bscan.com. I'll just go to bscan.com. Let me paste it here to be sure that the smart contract is actually correct, all right. So but in your own case, I already dig for this 3. That I just wanted to use these 3 acts as examples for you guys, okay. I also wanted to use it as an example for you guys, but the same way I got it from the same way we usually get tokens, like right, you can see it, save weed. This is the name of the token, save weed, all right, save weed, all right. So let me copy the smart contract from here. Let me copy the smart contract from here and see if it will work out. You can see save weed is the name. It has 1,464 address. So I want to copy the smart contract. Let me just quickly copy the smart contract. All right, I will head straight to the Telegram bot. No. I will head straight to this Telegram bot. Then I will type rug /rug. Then you paste. Then you click send. Let's see. All right, you could see, could not check. OXCRA. Please check if that is a valid ECR20 token. Still under testing. Use at your own risk. Well, I don't know what is wrong with this. What are they calling it? This contract address. I don't know what is wrong with the contract address. It could be that I have issues unlike other ones that are working, but this definitely is not working. So in my own case, okay, wait. Oh, wait. Let's try something else. Let me click on it. Oh, sorry. Since I copied some, I did not copy the contract address. Please, when when we are here, this is the contract address. I was copying the owner's address. This is the contract address. So you can see contract right here. All right. So this is the contract address. So let me just turn the phone so that I can easily copy it. All right. So let me just copy. This is the real contract address of this coin. Save weed. All right. This is the contract address. So let me just copy it now. So I've copied it here. So that is the contract address there. Sorry, I was copying the owner's the div address is what I was copying before. So the next thing we have to do is I head straight to the this thing, the Telegram. Then I will just click on this rug. Oh, sorry, this rug. All right. Then space. Paste the smart contract, hit on send. All right, bam, you can see it. The name, okay, this is not mine is save with. Everybody are trying to check their contract address at the same time. So You have to wait till your own come up. Let me post it again. Rug. Paste. Let's see. All right, still the same thing. Could not check. Well, I don't know. Seems something is wrong with this smart contract. So if I were you, I wouldn't invest in the coin. All right. The fact that the smart contract is having issues. So if I were you, I will not invest in the coin. And aside that, there's something else I want to do. Check when you're in the Telegram, when you're in the smart contracts page like this. All right. If you scroll down, right, when you're in the smart contracts page like this, the page that shows the holders and everything, you will see where to write holders info. You see holders right here. You see infos right here. You see read contract right here. All right, the contract might not be available for you to actually read. Then, okay, it's available for you to read. Then you see where the write contract. All right, in this place where the write contract, we have to scroll down and see if there's a mint function. Because if there's a mint function in any smart contract address, please, it's a no for us. Don't even waste your time on it. All right, if there's this mint function, so let's check if there's a mint function in this one. When you come to the right, you see that we have approved, we have bond, we have decreased allowance, we have deliver, we have excluded account, included account, increase. Let's see if you see, can you see there's a mint here? It's a no. There's a mint function. For whatever reason they are using mint function for, this is a no for us. Don't even try. Just ignore. This mint function means the div of this coin, even if he locks this coin, even if he tells us that he has locked it, it means it can mint more coin and start selling, even though he has locked it. It means, because people might say, okay, admin, have you locked it? It's okay, fine, I will lock it, and he will go and lock it truly. But because of these main functions right here, all right, it means he will definitely sell. All right, he will definitely sell this coin. It will be minting function means it will be creating more of the coin. You might think that he is only holding 1%. You know, everyone will think, okay, he's holding 1%, and he has locked the coin. But the next thing that will happen is we just see that we just go at the back. He still have power over this coin to create more of the coin. Imagine maybe he said the total supply of the coin is 1 billion. Because there's a mint function, it means he can actually generate more token, even more than the 1 billion in his own wallet, and start selling, even though he has locked it. Yeah, locking liquidity means he cannot remove the pairs from Uniswap or Pancakeswap. But since he cannot, but he has mint function to generate more token, and he will continue selling, which will continue affecting the price. So when you see a mint function, is a no. Just what? Waka. Just, if it is shalayu, you see this mint function, just waka. To you verify our claim very well, if it is true about the mint function, we have to copy the smart contract address right here, right? After we've copied the contract address, all right, we head straight to what they call we head straight to TokenSniffer, all right, TokenSniffer.com. Okay, we head straight to TokenSniffer.com. You see it in TokenSniffer, you will see trending tokens, newest tokens, and you see latest scam tokens. All right. So when we head straight to TokenSniffer, you will see where to write search by token name or contract. Let's paste it there. All right. Then you search. All right. Automatically, it will help you to bring it out. You can see it. Like I said, this contract is fishy. You can say the CBS candidate deployed, not available. Although it's saying small test automated contract this is automated contract that verified contract source, yes. No pyro similar token contract, yes. Source does not contain a process contract, yes. Source does not contain a possible contract, yes. Fine, it meets all these requirements. But let's now click on this place that I view contract address. Click on it. Now we are here, so there's something we want to check here. You know, don't forget that we saw mint there. We want to confirm if the mint is actually here as well. So what are we going to do? Once you are here, click on this three dot at the left hand side of your phone. If you are using a phone, then you will click on find on page. All right, this is find in page. You click on it, then it will tell you to find. Just type mint, M-I-N-T, right? Right? Can you see there's a function called mint? You can see it here, function mint. Address, account, you can see you need 255 amount. What did they write there? Only owner. What does it mean? It means only owner can mint coin. Mint function is here. And if you check from here, the top left in this mint, if you look at the right hand side of this mint, you see 1/1. It means one keyword called mint was found in this smart contract address. You can see function mint. This mint function, once you see it, just waka. Don't waste your time, all right? It has mint function. Please, for whatever, even if the thing is money people are buying, if you go and put your money, you're on your own. At the point, the div has power to generate more token and sell, right? So this coin definitely is a no-no. I see people buying 1,000 plus orders. They've not done their research, but from what the research we can do, you can see that there's a mint function right there. The developers added this function so that it will be able to generate even more coin, which people will not know. If you keep on generating coin, why will you be generating more coin in Shalaye? That means you want to be selling. It's scam. It's fraudulent. It's not good. So it's not good. So this is a no-no for us. Besides, the coin is having issues when we want to check the if we can sell with the Telegram bot. So for me, this is a no-no. So let's check another coin on our list. The second coin which I saved for you guys, right? I got these 3 coins from the bscan.com/tokentxnx. So this is the second coin. Let's check as well. What can we see? For the first thing, we will have to do, copy this one as well. We head straight to the Telegram. Let's go back to the Telegram. Okay. All right, so I will just go back to the Telegram, Rugable, Rugbuster, then I click again. Rug. All right, you paste this contract address, then you hit the send button. Oh, something is actually wrong. I'm coming. Well, unfortunately, the boat is still under construction. It's not working perfectly or it's not really 100% accurate, but definitely the boat does work. For any coin you are able to successfully check. Not all coin can be checked currently at the moment because it's having some glitches. I think we've made complaint to the developers and they will fix it as soon as possible. But the bot does work, it makes the job easier. But should in case what we're trying to check here, what this bot only check here is it checks if you can sell on Pancakeswap or any exchange the thing is going, any decentralized exchange is currently trading. But since if it is not working, then you have to do it manually in the sense that you try to buy $1 or you just go to PooCoin app, all right? Like I told you guys before how to do it, you check, you go to PooCoin app, maybe for instance, this, just go to PooCoin. Sweet. So the manual method is just go to PooCoin app. Once you go to PooCoin app, you head straight to the apps, all right? Once you go to the apps, what you just have to do is you go to Pancakeswap or you just go to PooCoin app. So let me just quickly do that of PooCoin. All right, you just go to PooCoin. Okay, go to PooCoin.app. All right, you go to PooCoin app. Once you extract the PooCoin app and PooCoin app shows up, that is the manual way. But the bot is what we wanted to use to make the method faster. But the bot seems to be having some glitches right now. So just have to go to PooCoin app. All right, in this enter token address or name, you paste the token name there. Okay, once you paste the token name there, all right, it will bring the token name out. Once you paste the token sunset address, it will bring the token name out. Then you click on, you search on the token, then it will bring, you will scroll down, it will bring the chart out for you. You can see. So what you have to do is you scroll down and see if people are buying and selling from this. You can see that people are really buying these tokens and they're really selling these tokens. Some people are really buying. Someone just bought 3,885 and another person just sold. All right, you can see people are really buying and selling. But you have to be very, very careful as well because so that it shouldn't look like it is the admin that is buying it. All right, because a lot of buy, too much buy, fewer sales. Well, it can just be that the token is good to enter because a lot of people are really buying. They are buying more than selling. All right, so they are buying more than selling in this token. So this token is one token I discovered It's a Shalaye token which I discovered Upship. I discovered it from what I saw from my search. This token is about to pump. You can see it came down all the way. It went up. It's come down again, and this token is about to go up to all-time high. This is the all-time high here. I think it's about to go back to the all-time high right here because it's already at 34%. I think. How many percent is it now? It's 3%. It's about to go. It's about to go back up to maybe all-time high. All right, because it came down here and started going up here. So this token, people are really buying this token. They're really buying this token, and we can see that from the charts. Okay, so well, this is not why we're here though. Okay, so people are really buying this token, but if we want to confirm very well, what I asked you guys to do was to go up here and I asked you to for you to check if you have to buy from version 1 or version 2 instead of wasting your time. You see the info at the left hand side there, just click on the info. So you scroll down here, this token is still under 2 million market cap. It's still good. You can see that it is the liquidity is in version 2, not in version 1. So from here you know that it's version 2 you can buy. So this token is a good one from what I can see so far, and I can buy it. You can just buy small coin. So like I told you, what you have to do is, okay, since this is version 2, we have to click on open tab. All right, version 2, we click on open tab. You click on open tab. So once you click on open tab, you wait for the wait for Pancakeswap to load up. It's in the top. All right, so once it loads up, so what I advise you guys to do, once it loads up, what I advise you guys to do is what, just buy maybe some amount. All right, maybe you just buy like $1 first, $1 of the coin. All right, buy $1 of the coin, click on swap, click on confirm. It will not go because I'm using I'm using $1 1% slippage. So what I have to do here is I will have to click on this. All right, I will have to click on this. I will have to click on this. Let me just run it so that you can see it. All right, I will have to click on this. I will remove it. So I will let there be 3 zeros. Don't forget another 0, another 0. So you can see it's almost 99 cents, which is approximately $1. So I will click on swap. It will go. Now I'll just quickly increase my gas fee here so that it will go fast. 10, save, approve it. So you just have to wait for it to be approved. You just want to buy $1 of the coin to be okay, right? You can see that I already bought $1 of the coin. Now let's try to sell. You know, it's $1 I buy. Let's try to sell now. So click on approve. All right, so we have to try to sell this coin back, right? So let's try to sell. You can see pricing pass is too high. There's no enough liquidity there. So, but you won't be able to sell with 1% slippage. So you have to change your slippage to 11. Right, I will just change my slippage to 11. Then you click on swap. Let's see if we can sell. Click on 0. All right, so we can sell. The fact that this thing brings us to the confirm transaction page, it shows we can sell. If this thing does not bring us, if we can't sell, if this coin is a coin we can't sell, it definitely will not bring us to what this transaction page, all right? It will not bring us to the transaction page, okay? It will never bring us to the transaction page if we can't sell this coin. But we can sell this coin, so there's no point for me selling it because it already shows we can sell. For bringing us to this page, it shows we can what? We can sell this coin. So, but there's something else I would like to show you again so that before we end these things concerning this coin, all right, there's something I would like to show us before we can. So, this coin is kind of different from SafeWith. This is not SafeWith though. Don't forget this is not SafeWith. Okay, it is Upshib. What are they calling it? So let's just search this coin up on Binance scan. So I paste it here. I search for it. Give us these days. Our daily bread. Forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those. Alright, so if you scroll down here, you see this. The name of this coin is Upshib. Alright, so let's do what we do. See, the reason why I like this coin is, okay, this Upshib, like I said, they have contracts, they verify their contract. We make sure that this coin really means business, okay? This coin really what means business, all right? So I'll buy this coin because their contract address code has been verified, all right? So they've already even submitted it, they've submitted it, and from what you can see here, the project name, they list it, all right? You can see that they've already verified their own smart contract. They verified their own smart contract. They put it here for everyone to see. Unlike the previous ones, every other ones, most ones, they don't have it. So they don't have it. So, but what we're interested in here, we want to write the contract. Let's say write. You see right here. You know, we did it for the first token. We want to do it for this one. We want to see something. If we see the main functions here, let's see. Let's try to get the main function. And let's see if we also see the lock function there. If they have anything like lock on the right. Can you see that there's lock right here? You see lock. This lock means this coin liquidity has been locked, but we actually don't know where it's been locked, all right? Because I tried checking it on Uniswap, if it is Uniswap or DX2, but I can't find it. But definitely the coin has been locked somewhere. Like I said, there are many websites that do lock coin, all right? But the popular ones is DX sales and Uniswap. But from where we can see that this coin has been locked because the lock this thing function is right here. But let's see the mint function, whether we'll find mint function there. Well, you can see there's unlock function. The unlock function means the date the token will be unlocked. So like I said, I've been seeing it since I jumped on this coin that this coin is a good one though, because they have their smart contracts verified. They have their contract, the liquidity locked, even though we don't know where it's been locked, but it shows in the contract right here, in the right, it shows in the right. And at the same time, if you go and check those buying the coin, definitely you will see that people are putting in big money, and at the same time, you will see that the coin does not have mint functions. But to be very, very sure that the coin does not really have mint functions, so we head straight to TokenSniffer as well. We go to the TokenSniffer, then we search for the smart contract. Right, it will automatically fetch it for us. So even though this is say no prior token similar contract, say there are highly similar contracts that were deployed prior to this one. Clone contract may indicate it does not mind. We don't mind about this. All we want to check is does it have mint function? Is the liquidity locked? This coin has been proven. The contract has been verified. Liquidity was locked. It shows in the right contract. That is how to know if the liquidity is locked. If the liquidity is locked, you will definitely see it in the right. They will write locked, but if you know their Telegram, you can go and ask the div there that how many period was this token locked, because some people might locked it for just like a week. All right, but from what I can see, the token is more than a week. From the chart, we see that the token is more than a week. All right, so let's view the smart contract source. All right, so you can see it that the smart contract source is same as the smart contract on the source page that was verified. You know, the smart contract was verified on BSCAN, which I showed you guys not quite long. It's still the same thing here. It's just that most TokenSniffer gives us the option to see each token smart contract. So even though they did not verify it on Binance Smart Chain, TokenSniffer will still show us the smart contract. So what we want to do here is we want to search if there is a mint function, all right? We want to search if there is a mint function. So I will click on find page, then I will type mint as always again, mint. Let's see if there's a mint function with this token. Right, when we say mint, it's not this type of mint. We are looking for mint functions, not this event mint. All right. Mint initial liquidity. All right, this token has mint function mint address to external return unit liquidity. No. Let's check if we will see mint. No. This is not the one we're looking for. We are looking for mint to owner's address. Balance unique address. Okay, this mint is meant for liquidity, maybe Uniswap or Uniswap peers. You are looking for mint to owner's address. No. The token has mint functions, but the mint function is not to owner's address. All right. This is liquidity. This is liquidity stuff. The token is good. Does not have the mint to owner's address. The mint to owner's address function we are looking at, but this does not have it. Does all this mean definitely some coin will have mint option, but it's not to owner's address. All right. This is all about the liquidity. Maybe adding liquidity, because some people, when they code their smart contracts, they just write it directly to mint to liquidity. They just code it in a way that they won't do the manual adding of liquidity. For example, if you run pre-sales from if you use DX2s to run pre-sale, they'll be the one to handle everything for you. The smart contracts will be the one to add everything for you. Unlike if you do it manually, then you'll be the one to add liquidity yourself manually to Pancakeswap, or you can code it to automatically mint and add the liquidity to Pancakeswap. But what we are definitely looking for here is the mint function to ownership address, which we still see in the third this thing we will be showing you. So, but for this reason, it has mint function though, but the mint function is not to owner's address only. All right. This is not to owner's address only. The mint to owner's address only is responsible for the owner of the smart contract generating more coin. All right, that is what it's all about. Because if this token actually have mint function to owner's address, they won't verify their smart contract. All right, on Binance Scan, verifying contract or smart contract address on Binance Scan means you are telling anyone that okay, you are not hiding anything, that anybody can go there to go and read your smart contract address. So anyone that is trying to be shady will not definitely verify smart contract, because verifying smart contracts means you are telling everyone openly that what they should go there and read your smart contract, because you can't hide anything about blockchain. Like the project we want to do as well, we have to verify the smart contract so that everyone can see and see that nothing is shady about the code. All right. So if these guys were actually minting tokens, they won't verify their smart contracts, and even people won't buy that coin. All right. If you go and see the number of their orders, it has increased, and it's increasing, because when I discovered these tokens from Binance Scan / token TXNS, people were really buying the token. The fact is they already verified their smart contracts publicly. All right, it has been shown publicly. Like here, this is what I mean that it's been shown. Let me go back and show you. So they verified their smart contract address. So the main function you are seeing here is not for them to generate token. It's the one for liquidity. All right. Sometimes you will see main functions in code, but the one you should look out for is mint to owner's address only, which we'll be seeing in the third coin I'll be showing you. I find these three coins on the token XNS, and out of the 2 coins I find, it's only this one, UP Shiba, that is still legit. The remaining 2 has potential of rugpulling. You can see it. Imagine I don't know how to check it. I'll go and buy those coins too, and at the end of the day, I'll be complaining that they've rugpulled. So like I was telling you from here, this is what I'm telling you. You can see this contract. This green check beside it means it has been verified. You can see contract source code verified. It has been verified by Binance Smart Chain, all right? So, and what it means is, you can see it is still the same thing here, that they are telling you guys right here that you are free to read their smart contract. We are not hiding anything. Read it. Anyone that is trying to be shady won't they won't verify their smart contracts on Binance Smart Chain, because when you verify it, everyone will have access to read it. Anyone can even duplicate it and go and use it to create their own tokens. All right, that is what this thing means. But from here, you can see here that they verified it, and they are not hiding anything. So the main functions you saw there is not to mint to owner's address, but we want to check the last coin, which will see what I'm telling you. So number one, let's go to the last coin. Let's go to the last coin which I have here. Let me see it. Where did I keep it? Okay. Now this is the last coin here. Let's copy this. Copy. Now I saw these 3 coins on the token website. I taught you guys how to get new gems on BScan. I will still be doing the Ethereum version of how to get on Ethereum too. All right. If you come to this Telegram, all right, let's see if it will work for this token. Let's see. Rug. Let's see. Rug. Okay. Let's see. All right, I just posted it. Let's see. Wow. Now you can see that it works this time around. Rug or no rug. You can see it. The name of this one is ShibaSwap. All right. You can see it. It's 91 the end. You can see it. It says ShibaSwap, likely scam. Stay away. Token feed, approach to stake, sales test. What does it mean? It means you can't sell this particular token. It's a scam. You don't even need to waste our time. This thing works, but to verify our claim and be sure maybe this thing is telling us the truth or not truth, let's head straight to Uniswap, to Pancakeswap. So I go to my Trust wallet. All right, then I come here. Let's go to PokeSniffer. I won't be buying this particular coin. I just want to go and see if people are able to sell on PokeSniffer. Let's see. Let's verify by ourselves. Coin. Let's verify by ourselves. Now let's search for the token. Let's search for the token. Well, they said BNB LP does not exist for this token. Try providing liquidities. Well, you can see there's no liquidity for this token. Probably the developers removed the liquidity, or I don't know. It seems it has removed liquidity. So, but how the Telegram bot works is what it checks if they can sell or they cannot sell, and you know that if there's no liquidity in the token, you can't sell. Or definitely, if there's liquidity and the developer code it in a way that you can't sell, then you can't sell. So from there, we try to use PokeSniffer. PokeSniffer said there's no liquidity for that particular token. So, but let's go and check to confirm our verify our claim very well. Let's head straight to TokenSniffer.com. That is the 3 ways we want to use in texting it. From TokenSniffer, we see. Or before we go to TokenSniffer, all right, before we go to TokenSniffer, let's head straight to Binance Scan. Let's search for it. Let's see if it has the main function as well. Oh my God. Let's see if it has the main function. All right, and that is the token right here. And so there's no matching entry. Oh, what's happening? Did I copy the wrong token? Let me see. Oh God. Sorry guys. Let me check if I copied the wrong token. I knew I saved all the token right here. I knew I saved 3 tokens right here. Let me pause this video. I don't want to. Well, so guys, I couldn't find the other token anymore. I don't know what happened to it. Since I didn't copy the right smart contract address, so but that is just how to discover coin. But what you just want to know, let me just do a brief overview of what I said is After you've gotten the token from TokenX and bscscan.com/tokenxns, I discovered this baby shark as well, and this baby shark as well has its liquidity locked. Yes, because if you see it from here, if you come to the what are they calling it? If you come to the right here, if you scroll down, all right, you will see there's a place they put the lock. You can see lock is here, and if you scroll down again, you will see where the right unlock. See it, unlock is there, all right. So it means its liquidity has been locked somewhere. But I try finding it. If you want to find if the liquidity of a coin is locked, you come to uniscript.com, uniscript.network, all right. Then in the box, all right, you choose token, then you will paste it, the smart contract of the token there. To bring it up for you, you can see it. It will paste it there. It will quickly bring the token for you. Then you can now click it. If it is locked, you will see it. Because you can see baby. You can see baby yes done. They say no lock liquidity on Uniscript. Yes, the liquidity of this token is locked, but definitely is not on uniscript.network because we have many websites where one can lock liquidity. So it's now left for us to, like, if we have the Telegram page of the particular token, can then ask the div where is it locked, right? We have DX sales, we have Uniscript, which is the most popular one. We have, I think, Save Lock, we have WP Lock website. No, we have different websites that offer locking services, all right? So it can be locked. So you can then ask the div if it is locked. And aside that, the next thing you have to do again is, okay, we can definitely, come to TokenSniffer and check if it has a main function. But definitely, like I said, from the right, we did not see anything like mint. So from the TokenSniffer, we can see things like mint for coin mostly, because when a coin is locked, definitely you see mint, some mint option, but not mint function. The mint function you should look for is mint to owner's address, all right? When you see such function, mint to owner's address, then you can run for the coin. Because if you check this baby shark, this is the baby shark as well. I pasted the contract here. All right, then when I click on view contract address, okay, so if you try to check mint here, finding page, if you try to click on finding page here, if you type mint and search, you will see that it brought this search. But if you start looking at the mint, you will see that it is event mint. If you click on this drop down, another one you will see is function mint address to external return unit liquidity. That is not the mint you are looking for. The mint function to owner's address only. You will see this on event mint token for swap updated. Like you will see that this type of mint option is similar to the ones we saw with UP Shiba, which also have the same lock option in the right. When we check the right option, we saw that the token was also locked, but it has this mint option. So definitely, that does not mean when you check token smart contract, you see the word mint. It does not mean they are minting the coin. The mint we are looking for is the mint to owner's address, right? So if you check all the mint of this one, there's nothing like mint to owner's address. There's nothing like mint to owner's address. All we've been seeing is mint event, mint liquidity. That one is kind of different, all right? But unlike the first coin, let me show you the first coin. Unlike the first coin we did, we see the difference between the first coin. Let me show you the difference between the first coin. Let me show you the difference. This is the first one. All right. Let me show you the difference. Let me show you the difference between the first one. Number one, you will see that the difference is number one when we paste it here. All right. When we paste it here. All right. Like when we paste it here, the save with. All right. When we pasted save with here. All right. When we clicked on the right. All right. Don't forget the right. Okay. And we scroll down. You will see that we saw you see it, mint, number 8. Now, when we come to TokenSniffer, when we paste the contract address there, all right. Now, when we click on view source, okay. Now, when we search, finding page, and we click on mint. Can you see we only saw one mint option? Why? Because number 1, this coin is not locked, so it won't have other mint event, blah blah. Those mint events are mostly associated with coin that has been locked, but this one is not locked because there's nothing like locked there. But we saw a function here, function mint. You can see it, address, unit amount. You can see it, only owner. You can see it. So this is the type of mint you are looking for. Only what? Owner. This is a function. It's telling you that only owner of this contract can mint. All right. It's different from the other mint. We see that the other mint we've been seeing is associated with coins that are locked. Those are events. You know, they are generating liquidity. You know, it is smart contract that lock the liquidity. So those mint are associated with that one. Not they want to generate a new coin. But this particular mint, function mint, address account, unit amount, and only owner is associated with coin that is liable to rug pull. Like, it means only the owner can be generating more coin, and you can see it's just only one. It's just only one. And you can see that we already saw the mint function. Even before we check the TokenSniffer, we already saw it in the right, in this right here. We already saw it in the number 8. Unlike the other ones, we did not see it there. We already saw it is there. They tell us that they can mint. You can see account address, amount. So it's already telling us that we can mint. So this owner like this, it can come here, since it's the owner, we just connect to, you see, the person will just connect to MetaMask. Since it's the owner of this contract, once you connect to MetaMask and you connect, it can just come here in this right, this 8. We just put his address that I want to mint, any address you want to mint coin to, boom. Once you put it, which amount do you want to mint? You just type it, you just click on right, bam, and they will send the coin to that address, and you go and sell. But even if you connect to MetaMask, you can't, because you are not the owner of this smart contract. It's not your wallet address that deploy it. So the wallet address that deploy the smart contract can just connect to Web3, to MetaMask, and just come to this place. Just type his own address there, put the amount you want to mint. You just put it one, blah, 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 blah. You just put it. We just click on right. Boom. You say, please connect to Web3 provider. That is MetaMask or Trust Wallet. Once you click on it, it will mint new coin. That new coin will be in his wallet. You just go and sell. That is the danger of this thing. So when you see it does run, no point buying the coin, all right? No point. Once you see it, no point buying the coin. So that is just one of the things you need to check. And also another thing you need to check is you also have to check, like I said, holders, all right? The top 10 holders. Apart from the fact that they bought this coin 49%, if you check all this, number 3 is a smart contract, is a liquidity. But if you check the remaining one, apart from the number 3, are the top holders holding larger percent of this coin? Yes. See, apart from the bond address, the div is holding 6%. This is 4% belongs to the Pancakeswap. Another 4% belongs to someone else here, which can be the div. The div is spreading it. See it. What happened? That means he's holding 10%. He spread it across 6% here, 4% here, 1% here. He spread it across top 10. Check the top 10 holders and see how much they are holding. This is 1. This number 6 is 1. The number 3 is Pancakeswap. Number 2, holding 4, making 10%. This one, 11%, 12%. Because if you add it together, this thing belongs to the admin. Forget about it. As far as he has the main function, see it, spread it across 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the top 10 to top 9 holders are holding bigger amounts. So just run for such coin. Run. It's not healthy. It's not healthy. And again, what you have to check again is, number 2 is the div address. Check it. If you check the div address at times, we check, is the div address sending to other wallets? If you check the transfer, is it sending to other wallets? All right, because some div can send to other wallets. There are some divs that send to other wallets before they deploy, before they add liquidity. All right, there are some div that does that. So you can just check if the div is sending to other wallets. But in our own case, it's not sending to other wallets. coins are only coming in, all right? That does not mean it's the one buying though, but it could be that it's minting coins. That is the truth. It could be that it's minting coin. So, but to be on the safer side, once you see a coin with mint, don't even consider checking another thing about the coin. I mean, once you see the mint in the right address or the right, which I was talking to you guys about, once you see the mint right there in the right place, once you see the mint shows up in this right, don't worry, don't bother yourself, because even if you go to TokenSniffer to go and confirm it, we still see that the mint option to owner's address only will be there. And once you see such, it means it's a potential scam, because I don't know why I did with leave such function there. Minting me, you want to create more coin. Although Pancakeswap, like Ethereum, has a mint function in their token, but Ethereum has proven to be a good coin. You can't compare Ethereum because there's some coin that has infinite supply, like Cake has infinite supply. The dev might mint more coin. Maybe they want to use it for something. Yeah, I'm not talking about this, but all these coin that does not they don't have big names, chalets, no meaningful project, nobody knows you. It's it's part of the trend, and you have mint function. What do you want to use it for? So the best thing is what, just run. No point investing in such coin. Don't even buy. Don't consider. Once you see mint function, don't stress yourself. And again, check if you can sell or you can buy. But when the coin has mint function, what's the essence of checking if you can buy or you can sell? When you know that you can just wake up tomorrow morning and you see that the admin has Rugpulling. So that is just it, guys. That is few things. Sorry for the way the video goes. All right. So thank you for watching.